Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a nice 1967 Chevy II Nova, 350, aluminum heads, 5-speed, billet serpentine system, ice cold air, power disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radio, tilt wheel, Dakota digital gauges. Just a very nice little Nova. Highly options, the bucket seats, center console car, cup holders. It does have power reclining back seats. You'll find all these pictures, will be about 75 to 100 at www.westportautocenter.com. You got the high definition light bulbs in there. You know, the chrome trim and bright work is nice on the car. Paint is nice. Nice sounding stereo sound system in there. It's a nice straight car. You know, there's a few imperfections, and we'll go through them. All cars have imperfections. It's an upgraded newer suspension on it. Super nice car. The drip rail. Your corner windows, extremely nice. Dash. Roof. There's a little, looks like it could be not the original mirror, but there is a little bit of patina on that mirror. Still showing extremely well. Door handles are very nice, just from opening and touching it. Probably somebody with a ring. The rally wheels, raised white letters. Small little chip that's been touched up, small little chip that's been touched up. We've got the correct paint. We'll do a better job than that. But again, the chrome trim, it's nice on it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn nice. You know, the gaps and lines on the car are nice. Again, at www.westportautocenter.com, you'll find all the pictures. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Leave your feedback below. It does have a power antenna. It's just a nice car. Do the drip rail. A little imperfection in the paint there. Drip rails are nice. Roof is nice. Tiny chip down there. Small chips there. Door jams are nicely done. Blows ice cold. We got another 98-degree day. Hopefully be the last for a while. But nice sorted car. You know, all the gauges, everything works. Horn, wipers. Nice having the 5-speed. Power disc brakes, power steering. Again, if you want to fly in and check out the car in person, forward us your flight itinerary. St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. They're the same airport. So again, forward us your flight itinerary, and we'd be more than happy to pick you up. If you want to talk to somebody in person, you can call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you got. Want to send somebody out to inspect it, be more than happy to do that. If you fly in person, we'll take it out for a ride, put it up on the lift, make sure its car's a good fit. And it's a good, strong running car. Again, all these pictures you'll find will be at www.westportautocenter.com.
There is a
right now the AC is working because it's nice and cool in here. Car downshifts well. It's a fun car to drive. Again, www.westportautocenter.com or 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. Thank you.